Hello, it's Guy Woodford, editor of Aggregates Business Magazine. Today I'm with Edge Innovate at their HQ in Dungannon, and I'm talking to Stephen Conway, Edge Innovate Sales Manager. Good to see you today, Stephen, despite the weather.
Thank you very much, Guy, for the introduction, and you're very welcome to Edge Innovate.
So, in terms of the company, what's new from the company? How have you developed in recent years?
In recent years, we've had continual advancements to the overall production capacity and an expansion to the overall factory and the facility. There have been multiple phases of that over the last 5 years. The first phase was the development of a state-of-the-art shop blasting and painting area, which maximised our production. Following on from that, we had the expansion of our manufacturing sheds, where we have now created a 30% increase in our overall production capacity, with more space for our prefabrication areas, welding, and also for final assembly. The final phase of the expansions are ongoing currently, with our new modern office block, which is under construction right now. The aim of this is to overall enhance the experience of our visitors to Edge Innovate when they come.
And presumably it would help you attract, in terms of employees, it's a more comfortable working environment. The company's clearly growing. How does it help on that front?
Absolutely. Obviously, in this area, just where we are located, engineering and manufacturing, there's a lot of competition for welding, in particular, painting, fabricators, and fitters for final assembly. So it's important that we can offer a nice working environment, modernise the factories as best we can, and obviously make the employees feel as comfortable as possible when they're working here. So,
and you've been able to, in terms of a business, obviously it is competitive. You've been able to attract and retain staff because of the fact that you're growing. You've got, you're clearly expanding your footprint. And
we have. Edge was actually one of the first companies in the area to offer the 4-day working week for employees. That attracted people to come and work for the company, and we've been able to retain that staff in the last couple of years and continue to grow and develop as a company, offering new products year on year.
Well, how would you say Edge Innovate it stands out from the competition in terms of your product range and your servicing, what you're able to offer the customer? And how do you think that you excel in that area? What are you doing this?
Well, I think Edge has established itself as one of the global leaders in the manufacturing of advanced processing and material handling solutions for the quarrying, recycling, and waste management sectors.
Yeah.
Year on year, we've had quite an aggressive product development program, right from the early days of the business forming in 2008.
So R&D is central to the business.
Absolutely, and we've been able to form now and culminate one of the widest ranges of products available from any single brand, offering solutions to the customers within those key industries.
Okay, so that's a nice segue into new product. And we saw some of that at Hillhead, what you were showing there with the Screen Pro. Can you talk a bit about that?
Yes, we were thrilled to launch the Screen Pro S18 and the new range of track scalping screens from Edge Innovate at Hillhead. We've had a huge amount of success and demand for that new product already, and it's becoming one of our core products. You will see a number of them passing through the factory week by week. We went through a phase with all our plans of development and design phase for a new product. We had a research phase discussing with our distribution network the specifications and the requirements, the core requirements for our customers. I think we have been able to produce and manufacture and launch the Screen Pro S18, which we feel is a machine that is very robust, it's reliable, it's efficient, it's user friendly, and it is also very easy to service and maintain. As I see it, they are the core requirements for any customer. So.
And in terms of filling a gap that was there before, how does it move on from what you were previously offering to what you can now offer?
Well, I think our plan is, I'm excited to let our customers know that this is only the first phase of our development for the Screen Pro range. Later this year we'll offer, and into 2025 we'll offer a range of sizes of screens in this range.
Okay.
That will allow us to meet the varying applications for the various customers, and also the varying budgets that they have available for machines at different sizes.
Yes. And so in terms of the full Screen Pro range, how many models will be in it once you've fully launched?
I think initially our plans are for 3 models of different sizes. The next will be the Screen Pro S18 is an 18-foot by 6-foot screen box.
Yeah.
It's designed for those large heavy duty quarrying and recycling applications. So we'll see the development of a 16-foot by 5-foot screen box, which is a very competitive size range, but ultimately we're producing that to offer ultimate flexibility for customers who will be working in those quarrying applications, but also for a contractor, the contracting market, who need the flexibility and a machine that's easier to move from site to site.
Brilliant. So R&D is essential to Edge, and you're driving forward with a whole range. The business is growing, production capacity is growing, office accommodation training is all growing. Is there generally a very positive vibe looking ahead to the future for Edge?
I think so. Obviously, it's with the current market climate, it's a difficult period for all the manufacturers in this local area, but it's a very robust industry. You know, I think Edge, like no other, are continuing to double down our efforts in continuing to design and develop our product range, to offer the widest range of solutions available to our customers. And when the market improves, which undoubtedly it will, we should be in a better position to, to maximise our overall potential sales to all those new end customers.
That's great. Stephen Conway, thank you very much.
Thank you.